Hello everyone. For this video, we are going to talk about case expression. Just like if, then, else statement, case expression goes through conditions and returns value when the first condition is met. So, once a condition is true, it will stop reading and return the results. If there is no part and no conditions are true, it will return null. For our situation, we are going to identify if the employee's salary is less than, equal, or greater than 20,000. For our syntax, we are going to use case, when, condition, then, result, else, result, and end. After we execute, we can see a table that gives us the information if salary is greater than, equal, or less than 20,000.